have a very interesting question here from YouTube. What is the ruling on women making wasiyah that they are to be buried in the house where they live? Is it permissible? I don't know what is.
The scholars say that this is permissible, but it is not logical, meaning that the best thing for a Muslim is to be buried in a cemetery, because if he were to be buried in his own property, this property would not be for sale forever. His grave would make selling and utilizing that property gone. It becomes now there for the grave forever. And this is not logical that you waste like a couple of $1 million just to bury you. And why? If you're buried in a cemetery, imagine the amount of people that would visit the cemetery and say, Assalamu alaikum dara qawmin mu'mineen, antum as-sabiquna wa nahnu al-lahiqun, nasallahu lana wa lakum al-afiyah. And they make dua for all those deceased. But if you're in your home, nobody even bothers to give dua for you. So this is not logical, and it is highly not recommended to be done. But if done, then the poor heirs would not get a penny out of that.
Makes a lot of sense. I mean, this lady should be wanting the offspring to make dua for her, because once they want to sell the house and okay.
In worst case scenario, Sheikh Kareem,
Yes.
if she wants ajr, sell the property and donate it to Islamic organizations or Islamic schools like yours. Make it a waqf to Huda TV that would generate ongoing hasanat, and you can be buried wherever you wish.
Jazakallah khair, Sheikh.